Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make potato soup in a crock pot, easy method. Add 2 pounds diced potatoes, 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves minced garlic, 4 cups chicken broth, 1 cup heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon salt to the crock pot and stir. Cook on low for 6 hours until potatoes are tender. Finish by stirring in cheddar, adjust seasoning, then ladle and serve warm. Let's walk through prep and tips to keep the soup creamy and flavorful. Peel and dice potatoes evenly, sauté onion and garlic first for richer flavor, and choose russets or Yukon Gold for texture. Use low heat for 6 hours or high for 3 to develop depth. For a thicker soup, mash some potatoes against the side of the pot or add a cornstarch slurry. Garnish with chives, bacon, or extra cheese. In the middle, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: Automobile Life's Too Short for a Stinky Car, grab Little Tree's black ice from the link in the description to keep your drives fresh and enjoyable. I use it after long grocery runs and messy cooking days. It's a tiny change that lifts the mood. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Here are quick swaps and storage notes to make this recipe practical. Swap chicken broth for vegetable broth to keep it vegetarian, or use half and half instead of heavy cream to reduce richness. Refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container for up to 4 days or freeze up to 3 months in meal-sized portions. To reheat, thaw in fridge overnight and gently simmer until warmed, stirring to restore creaminess and avoid separation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.